tribe of Gad.
I'm little cousin from the tribe of Gad.
From the tribe of Gad of the 12 tribes of Israel. Right?
Correct.
Right.
Yeah.
And who is the so-called white man?
Speak unto you in the house of Israel, man.
Nobody.
He's the devil.
Nobody.
He's the devil that the Bible
He's
speaks.
the devil. He's the one who puts you anywhere, he'll take you out, he'll destroy you.
That's right.
White folks are the devil, they'll destroy you.
There it is.
Man, all you, if you want to destroy, walk with the white folks, walk with the system. They'll tell you all the shit. They know how to do this shit. They take it out, all of it. They Americans, all of it. They wrong. I served this goddamn country in time, and you all treat me like this? Fuck y'all.
So one comes the tree out of the forest. You tell me what holiday this is, man.
No shit, man.
Work of the hands of the workman.
Country, man. They treat you
With
back
the
home,
axe.
they treat you like
What?
shit.
With the axe.
Hell yeah, I go with somebody else.
They deck it with silver and with gold.
So you so called niggas, they deck it what? A Christmas tree with silver and gold.
But land,
Okay?
people land.
Christmas is a wicked holiday. Okay, that you so-called niggas not supposed to be worshiping. Just like Halloween.
Okay, what the Most High say? No more tattoos, right?
I need them more.
Okay, that's it. No more, right? Okay.
Yeah, I was born with them. Without them, why should I have them on me? Because we come in this world.
What does the Most High say, though? What the Most High say? No more tattoos. Put no more tattoos in the spot. Alright? Okay.
What tribe you from?
Niwa.
No.
Gad.
Yeah.
Man, short-term memory. Keep that intact.
Yeah.
Hey, everybody's in here. It talks about everybody, but it don't talk about them like they talk about you. It talks about you as being the chosen. It talks about the Chinese, the Japanese, the white man, and it tells you what they were going to be doing. They all came against you.
So what tribe you from, brother? What tribe you from now? Tribe of Zebulon.
Yeah.
Tribe of Gad.
Panama.
That's right.
A haven of ships. Panama Canal. Panama Canal, my brother.
All right, brother.
Right there in the Bible.
Bless you, man. Bless you, brother. All right.
Yeah, bro. All right.
Gad will overcome it is. Gad will overcome.
All this, because you know what? We're strong, and we about to fight, and we about to handle our business, and we overcome all this bullshit.
That's right.
Excuse my,
You gotta stop drinking that fire water, though.
I already know, how it's...
You gotta stop drinking that fire water, brother.
You know what?
That fire water.
Keep serving it to us, keep doing all this bullshit what the system is doing to us, and all the public and everybody else, just, in this whole goddamn situation here. I mean, you gotta look at the system and everything.
What tribe you
right.
Huh?
What tribe?
Gad. I'm telling like it is.
That's right, Gad.
From the tribe.
This is the word of the Lord of hosts. I took you from the pastures and from following the sheep to be prince over my people Israel. I have been with you wherever you have gone and have destroyed all the enemies in your path. I will make you a great name among the great ones of the earth. I will assign a place for my people in Israel. There I will plant them, and they shall dwell in their own land.